Hello everyone, welcome to today's video on how to earn money with the help of ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a powerful language generation model developed by OpenAI. It has the ability to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. In this video, we will explore a few ways in which ChatGPT can be used to earn money. First, let's talk about content creation. ChatGPT can be used to generate high-quality content for your blog or website. You can use it to generate articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and even entire ebooks. This can save you a lot of time and effort and allow you to focus on other aspects of your business. Another way to earn money with ChatGPT is by using it to generate social media posts. Social media is a powerful tool for reaching a large audience, but it can be time-consuming to come up with new content to post. With ChatGPT, you can generate a constant stream of new and engaging posts to keep your followers interested. You can also use ChatGPT to generate chatbot responses. With the increasing popularity of chatbots, many businesses are looking for ways to automate customer support. ChatGPT can be used to generate human-like responses to customer inquiries, saving you time and money in the long run. Finally, you can use ChatGPT to generate scripts for videos, ads, and audio recordings. This can save time and money for production and scripting.